In gases, the force of attraction between the different particles is very weak, so they are basically free to move around by themselves. This means that gases don't keep a definite shape or volume. Instead, they always fill a container as they spread out. We normally say that gases are constantly moving with random motion, which is a bit confusing because gas particles actually move in straight lines. What we mean by random motion is that the particles can travel in any direction and collide with solid walls or other gas particles randomly. So when we heat up a gas, particles gain more energy and travel faster, so the gas either expands if the container is expandable, like a balloon. However, if the container is fixed, the pressure will increase. On the other hand, if we cool the gas down, the particles won't have enough energy to overcome forces of attraction, so the bonds form between the particles, condensing the gas into a liquid. Now, the last thing we want to mention is that if we're working in a closed system, the change in state won't change the mass at all, since it's still the same number of particles. However, the density of the substance will change. As we know, solids have the highest density, liquids a slightly lower density, and gases the lowest density of all three.